Family trip to Los Angeles, California.
Yeah, go, 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 go.
I want a picture.
Take it, crazy.
Right there.
Yeah.
Back.
1, 2, 3. Other pose. Ah, you're so crazy. Ah. Happy birthday, mommy. Love you.
Day 1. Family trip to Los Angeles, California. We took a shuttle bus to go to Nashville International Airport.
Welcome behavior flight attendant. Thank you for attention. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your 3-hour and 50-minute flight over to Los Angeles. Welcome aboard Southwest Airlines.
Here we are, Los Angeles. Now we are here in Los Angeles.
I cannot give
Beef ball.
No, tsaka
Oh,
nighttime.
chicken.
Nighttime, what nighttime? It's hard to sleep in
My husband is a Yoshinoya. About, please say, favorite food,
No,
Yoshinoya.
one of my.
birthday.
Is that?
But the thing is, they don't have the custom, and then I was just selling them. Like,
And that's it.
I did my shafts, I selling my shafts. Now I'm selling. Now I'm trying to sell my Kilman shaft. That's what I'm trying to sell.
Yeah, Universal City. City Walk, City Walk. Let's go. Welcome to Universal. Mommy, daddy. So we are going to Universal Studio City. I mean Universal City Walk.
Let's go. Oh, the doodle looks so big. ET sign, get out. Lisa, you need to watch ET. No, thank you. Waiting for mommy, daddy. Hola, you need to grow more. Oh, you did it. Go, go, go. Oh, no? Is that grandma? This is City Walk, baby. So what Joshua say? They're almost here?
Yeah.
Not yet?
No, they're coming right now.
Okay.
I swear.
We gotta go that way.
Yeah, that one. We are going to eat dinner, family dinner here. Soon, 7 o'clock. Waiting for mommy, daddy.
Where the heck is that?
Daddy over there with the grandpa.
I'd rather not go.
Huh?
I'd rather not go with Dad.
What do you mean? Daddy not coming? What do you mean?
He's in the restaurant.
What do you mean restaurant? Why? Grandpa there. Where is daddy? Ashley with grandma, grandpa.
Mind blown emoji.
Picture too. Show to baby. Oh, isn't this a new place? Before?
Mind blown emoji.
She's a place. This is the first time for Ashley. For me, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 5 or 6 already? 여보? I think so.
Mind blown emoji.
Ashley going to take a picture.
No, I don't want to take a picture.
Stop it.
Okay, go.
Yeah, go, go, go,
I
go.
want a picture.
Go.
Take it, crazy. Right there.
Yeah.
Back.
1, 2, 3. Other pose. Ah, you're so crazy. Oh. I want the King Kong again. The picture. No, not you. I don't care. me.
Mind blown emoji.
This is Universal Studio entrance. Isn't it? They close at 5 o'clock, so early.
You need to go pee, princess?
No.
I'm gonna put here P. They're talking about P. Harry Potter.
You're a wizard. I'm a what? A wizard. Funny.
I'm gonna go pee.
I what the? How many?
Hello, Cedar 2000.
Frozen yogurt 여보.
Oh, that was the place Juliana was talking about. Veggies.
Tell daddy after dinner.
Tito Cotton.
Hey, you want me to break my
Mind
camera?
blown emoji.
It's a GoPro. It won't break.
Stick and book.
I'm waiting for a text message from
Don't you see the advertisement?
Why? What they say? Not
Takes
broken?
all the tumbling and everything.
What? Are you kidding me?
Yes.
What you
Not
think?
even scratching here.
You think they're all pros? No.
Huh? Ooh.
Mind blown emoji. 1.1.
Yeah, we are back to the place.
Mind blown emoji.
Is it mommy day? Happy birthday, mommy. Love you.
I love you guys.
Oh, you have asthma. Let's go.
Isa, Isa. Helping grandma. Helping grandma. Helping grandma. We are going to my mommy's 70th birthday party. Big party. We are going to place.
Double check your shoes.
There is a bug. Everything I prepared it since the other day.
There's my
You
mommy.
are.
Aray ko.
You're not wearing slippers.
Coming soon, I'm going to make a video of my mother-in-law's 70th birthday party. Finally, it is time to go back home to Tennessee.
Please ensure all the seatbelts are securely fastened and enjoy your flight.
We are landing soon. Poor Ashley, she's still sleeping. We are waiting for our shuttle bus at the waiting room. We are now riding the shuttle bus and going home. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.